Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Arin. Today we will solve IMO question paper 2017-18 level 2 for class 3. Question number 1. What fraction of the given figure is unshaded? Let's first count the total number of parts, equal parts this figure is having. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 times 3 is 15. So this figure is having 15 equal parts. Now let's count how many parts are unshaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 out of 15 parts are unshaded. So the fraction of unshaded part is 9 by 15. So our answer is option B. Question number 2. There is 6 liter 225 milliliter of juice in 5 identical cartons of juice. How much juice is there in 2 such cartons? So total number of quantity 5 cartons hold is 6 liter 225 milliliter. Let's convert it to a first milliliter. So amount of juice 5 carton contains equals to 6225 milliliter. So amount of juice contained by 1 carton will be 6225 divided by 5. So 1 carton contains the juice amount of 1245 milliliter. Now we have to calculate how much amount 2 such carton contains. So we multiply 1245 by 2. So we get 2490 milliliter, or which can be written as 2 liter 490 milliliter. Question number 3. Given rectangle P is made up of 3 equal rectangles. If the total sum of length and breadth of rectangle P is 84 cm, then find the breadth of each small rectangle. So it is given the perimeter of the rectangle because it is the sum of length and breadth. So 2 length and 2 breadth equals to 84 cm. So let's write down it here. Now length is already given 30 cm, so we can replace L by 30 cm. So we'll get it 2 times breadth equals to 24 cm. And the breadth of rectangle P will be 12 centimeter. Now we can see its one breadth, big rectangle breadth is equal to 3 breadths of the small rectangle. So 3 small b equals to 1 big V, which is 12 centimeter. So breadth of one small rectangle will be 12 centimeter divided by 3, which is 4 centimeter. So our answer is option D. Question number 4. Using the given cards, find the number name of the smallest 4-digit number formed. Use each digit only once. So the number given is 3860. So smallest number cannot start from 0. So we will take the second highest number. So 3068. So which we can read it as 3068. So our answer is option C. 3068. Question number 5. The cost of a toy car is same as that of the cost of 2 dolls. The cost of a toy car is rupees 146. Find the amount spent by Ashima if she buys 2 such toy cars and 6 dolls. So first thing is given is cost of a toy car is same as that of the cost of 2 dolls. So cost of a toy car is 2 times the cost of the doll, and which is equal to rupees 146. So now let's find out the cost of a doll. So cost of the doll will be half of the cost of the toy car. So rupees 146 divided by 2 equals to rupees 73. So cost of a doll is rupees 73 and cost of a toy car is rupees 146. Now let's see how much Ashima spent. She buys 2 such toy cars. So 2 times rupees 146 plus 6 dolls. So 6 times rupees 73. So 2 times rupees 146 is rupees 292 and 6 times rupees 73 equals to rupees 438. So let's add it together. We will get rupees 730. So our answer is option D. Question number 6. The basket of fruit is dash gram heavier than the book. So how much the basket of fruit is heavier than the book? So the weight of the basket of the fruit is 250 gram and the weight of the book is 50 gram. So 250 gram minus 50 gram equals to 200 gram. So basket of fruit is 200 gram heavier than the book. So our answer is option A. Direction for question number 7 to 9. Read the given graph showing the number of cakes sold by a bakery and answer the following questions. Let's see question number 7. Out of the given options, the bakery sold 75 cakes on blank and blank altogether. So first let's see how much cakes she sold every day. Monday 35, Tuesday 30, Wednesday 40, Thursday 25, Friday 40 and Saturday 50. So now we have to find the 2 days whose total is 75. So it can be 40 plus 35 which is 75. So Monday and Wednesday, but it's not the option here. So let's see 25 plus 50. So Thursday and Saturday, which is option D. So our answer is option D. Now let's see question number 8. The bakery sold blank fewer cakes on Saturday than Monday and Friday altogether. So we have to add the cake sold on Monday and Friday and subtract the cake sold on Saturday. So Monday is 35, Friday is 40. So 35 plus 40 and then subtract the cake sold on Saturday, which is 50. So 35 plus 40 minus 50 equals to 25. So our answer is option A. Now let's see the question number 9. If each cake is sold for rupees 155, then find the amount earned by the bakery on Tuesday and Thursday altogether. So first let's count the total number of cakes sold on Tuesday and Thursday. So Tuesday is 30 and Thursday is 25. So 30 plus 25, 55 and then multiply by rupees 155. So 155 times 30 plus 25 which is 55. So rupees 155 times 55 equals to rupees 8525 which is option B. Question number 10. If the digit at hundreds place is interchanged with the digit at one place of the number shown by the abacus, then find the difference between the new number and the original number. So let's see first the original number. So original number is 6547. Now let's interchange the hundred place digit with the ones place digit. So 100 place digit is 5 and 1 place digit is 7. So 7 will come here and 5 will go here. So the new number will be 6745. Now let's see the difference between the new number and the original number. So 6745 minus 6547 equals to 198. So our answer is option A. Question number 11. Study the given numbers carefully and answer the question that follows. What fraction of numbers have an odd digit at 10th place? So first let's count the total number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's write down the numbers here. So now we have to check which number is having odd digit at 10th place. So 10th place is this one. So 9 is odd. So 796. 2 is not odd. 4 is not odd. 3 is odd. So 333. Then 4 is not odd. 5 is odd. So 654. 3 is odd. So 432. 3 is odd. So 731. 5 is odd. So 52. 9 is also odd, so 692. 9 is odd, so 97. And 8 is not odd. So total numbers having odd digit at 10th place are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 by 12 is the fraction. So our answer is option A. Question number 12. 1456 tickets of a magic show were sold on Monday. 2043 more tickets were sold on Tuesday than the number of tickets sold on Monday. 3946 more tickets were sold on Wednesday than the number of tickets sold on Tuesday. How many tickets were sold on Monday and Wednesday altogether? So let's see, the number of tickets sold on Monday is 1456. Now let's count the tickets sold on Tuesday. So it is 1456 plus 2043, which is 3499. Now on Wednesday, the number of tickets sold is the number of tickets sold on Tuesday plus 3946. So it will be 3499 plus 3946, which is equal to 7445. Now we have to calculate how many tickets were sold on Monday and Wednesday altogether. So number of tickets sold on Monday is 1456 and number of tickets sold on Wednesday is 7445. So let's add these two together. So 1456 plus 7445 equals to 8901, which is option D. Question number 30. What is the missing number in the box? So let's write down this equation. So question mark divided by 4, then minus 57. Then the whole amount will be multiplied by 8. So we put the first bracket here. Then we have to add 4. So we will put another bracket and add 4 equals to 420. Now let's bring this 4 to the right hand side. So here it is positive, it will become negative here. So now 420 minus 4 is 416. So let's write it down here. Now here 8 is multiplied by this whole. So it will go on the right side and it will be divided. So question mark by 4 minus 57 equals to 416 divided by 8, which is equal to 52. Now we will remove the bracket here because there is nothing outside. So we get question mark divided by 4 minus 57 equals to 52. Now let's bring this 57 to the right hand side. Here it is negative, so it will become positive. So question mark divided by 4 equals to 52 plus 57, which is 109. Now 4 here is dividing question mark, so it will be multiplication here. So question mark will be 4 times 109, which is 436. So our answer is option B. Question number 40. Kavya bought 12 dozen of bananas. She gave 5 dozen bananas to her brother and used 8 bananas to make a shake. How many bananas were left with her? So total number of bananas Kavya bought is 12 dozen, which is equal to 12 times 12 equals to 144. And number of bananas she gave to her brother is 5 dozen, which is 5 times 12, 60. And she used 8 bananas to make the shake. So how much bananas left with her equals to 144 minus 60 plus 8, which is 76. So our answer is option A. Question number 50. The given clock shows the time at which a movie started and finished. How long was the movie? So movie started at 1:45 and movie finished at 4:25. So 4:25 minus 1:45. So it will be 2 hours 40 minutes. So our answer is option C. Question number 16. Fill in the blanks. The difference between the smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number is P. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and greatest 3-digit number is 999. So the difference is 1000 minus 999, which is 1. The place value of 3 in 6435 is Q. So 6435. So place value of 3 is 30. 2000 plus 400 plus 6 is same as 2406. S should be added to make to 809 to make it the greatest 3-digit number. So S plus 809 equals to 999. So S will be 999 minus 809, which is 190. So our answer is 130, 2406 and 190, which is option D. Question number 17. Sahil has 7 times as many candies as Prince. If Sahil has 343 candies, then how many candies they both have altogether? So it is given number of candies Sahil has equals to 7 times the number of candies Prince has, which is equals to 343. So we write it down here. So now we can calculate number of candies Prince has equals to 343 divided by 7, which is equal to 49. Now we have to calculate how many candies they both have altogether. So Sahil has 343 candies and Prince has 49 candies. So if we add both of these things, we get 392. So our answer is option D. Question number 18. Study the given figures carefully and find the weight of two cubes. So if we see on the first scale, 1 cube plus 2 cones equals to 11 kg. So we write it down here. Next, 5 cones equals to 15 kg. So 1 cone will be 3 kg. Now replace the weight of cone in this equation. So we'll get cube plus 2 times 3 kg equals to 11 kg. So we will get the weight of the cube as 5 kg. Now we have to calculate the weight of 2 cube, which will be 2 times 5 kg equals to 10 kg. So our answer is option A, 10 kg. Question number 19. How many faces does the given figure have? So let's see here, it's a pentagon. So pentagon have 5 side faces and 1 face on the bottom and 1 face on the top. So total will be 7 faces. So our answer is option B. Question number 20. A bucket can hold 2 liters of water. It is being filled by the mugs of different capacities. Which of the following combination of mugs can fill the bucket? So we have to calculate the quantity which is given in the options A, B, C, D. Whichever is equal to the 2 liter will be our answer. So let's see option A. It is 400 milliliter plus 500 milliliter plus 1000 milliliter equals to 1900 milliliter. Let's see option B. This is 500 plus 300 plus 500 plus 1000. So total is 1800. Let's see option C. This is 1000 and this is 1000. So 2000 milliliter equals to 2 liter. So our answer is option C. Question number 21. Rohan distributed rupees 9876 equally among 12 children. How much amount did each child get? So each child will get the money rupees 9876 divided by 12. So we'll get rupees 823. So our answer is option D. Question number 22. Niharika uses 76 pearls to make a necklace. How many pearls are needed to make 48 such necklaces? So for one necklace 76 pearls are needed. So for 48 necklace it will be 76 times 48. So to make the multiplication easy, we can write down 48 as 50 minus 2. So finally we get 3648, which is option A. Question number 23. Find the value of P plus Q minus R plus S. So it's a subtraction problem. So R minus 9 equals to 7. So R will be 16. R cannot be a 2-digit number. So R will be 6 and 1 will be borrowed from the 3. So now we have in place of 3 we have 2 left because 1 is already given to R. So 2 minus Q equals to 7. So which is not possible. So we have to carry 1 from the P. So 12 minus Q equals to 7. So Q will be 5. Now we know 1 we have already borrowed from the P. So P minus 1 minus 8 equals to 5. So P will be 40. So P cannot be a 2-digit number. So P will be 4 and 1 is borrowed from the 7. So now it will be 6. So 6 minus 3 equals to S. So S will be 3. Now we know the value of PQRS. We replace here and we get the value as 6. So our answer is option C. Question number 24. Mr. Sharma's family went to a nearby beach for picnic. Mr. Sharma's family took a sandcastle kit, 3 towels and 2 umbrellas on rent. How much did it cost to them? So it is given, rental price are given here. Let's calculate how much he spent. So he took one sandcastle kit which is rupees 75. Then plus 3 towels, 3 times rupees 35 plus 2 umbrellas, 2 times rupees 25. So total is rupees 220. So our answer is option B. Question number 25. Pencil P and pencil R have a total length of blank centimeter. So let's calculate the length of pencil P. So it is equals to 25 minus 17 centimeter. So equals to 8 centimeter. Let's calculate the length of pencil R. So 27 centimeter minus 18 centimeter equals to 9 centimeter. So the total length of pencil P and R is 8 plus 9 centimeter which is equal to 17 centimeter. So our answer is option A. Question number 26. Anushka has 75 flowers. She gave 1/3 of the flower to her brother and 1/5 of the remaining to her sister. How many flowers she gave to her sister? So Anushka has 75 flowers. She gave 1/3 of the flower to her brother. So how much she gave to her brother? 75 times 1 by 3 which is equals to 25. So number of flowers left with Anushka is 75 minus 25 equals to 50. Now she gave 1/5 of the remaining to her sister. So 1/5 of the 50 is 10. So she gave 10 flowers to her sister. So our answer is option D. Question number 27. Ria's room has 5 shelves to keep books. Each shelf can have 13 books. If Ria has 82 books, then how many books will be left after arranging the books on 5 shelves? So how many books we can arrange on the shelves? We have 5 shelves and each shelf can hold 13 books. So 5 times 13. So number of books we keep on the shelves is 13 times 5. So which is equal to 65. Ria is having 82 books. So number of books left after arranging the books on 5 shelf will be 82 minus 65 which is equals to 17. So our answer is option A. Question number 28. Study the statements carefully and select the correct option. P. When a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 0. So let's see, 5 divided by 5 equals to 1 and the remainder is 0. So quotient is 1, not the number itself. So this statement is incorrect. Let's see the statement Q. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is the number itself. So 5 divided by 1 equals to 5 is the quotient and the remainder will be 0. So this statement is true. So P is false but Q is true. So our answer is option D. Question number 29. Identify the number using the given clues. So it's a 4-digit number. We can write down 1000, 100, 10 and ones. Now let's see the statements. I am an even number. So ones digit will be even. My tens digit is the least 1-digit odd number. So least 1-digit odd number is 1. So we will replace the tens digit by 1. My 100 digit is 4 more than my tens digit. So tens digit is 1 and 4 more than 1 is 5. So we replace the 100 digit by 5. Now my 1000 digit is the greatest one digit even number. So greatest one digit even number is 8. So we replace the 1000 digit by 8. So we have 851 with a condition that O will be a even number. So our answer will be option B. Question number 30. Trishi is meeting her friends for dinner at 7 p.m. The journey to the restaurant takes 55 minutes. What time must she leave her house if she wants to reach restaurant on time? So she wants to meet at 7 p.m. and it takes 55 minutes. So she has to reach 55 minutes before the 7 p.m. So it will be 6:05 p.m. So our answer will be option B. Now we are in Achievers section. Question number 31. If star plus star equals to smiley face, star plus smiley face equals to 6 by 8 and pentagon plus pentagon equals to star, then the values of star, smiley face and pentagon respectively are. So let's write down all three in a question form. So 2 star equals to smiley face, star plus smiley face equals to 6 by 8 and 2 pentagon equals to star. Now we know the value of a smiley face is 2 star. So we replace the value of a smiley face by 2 star. So star plus 2 star equals to 6 by 8. So 3 star equals to 6 by 8 and 1 star will be 6 divided by 3 times 8. So we have to keep the 8 at the bottom. So we will cut 3 and 6. So we will get 2 by 8. So star value is 2 by 8. Now we replace the value of a star here. So 2 times 2 by 8 equals to the value of smiley, which is 4 by 8. Now we know the value of a star we can put in this equation. So 2 pentagon equals to 2 by 8 and 1 pentagon will be equals to 1 by 8. Now the value of a star is 2 by 8. Value of smiley equals to 4 by 8 and value of pentagon is 1 by 8. So our answer is option C. Question number 32. Study the given figure carefully. Route 1 Sam House, Library, Mall. Route 2 Market, Mall, Library. Which is longer route and by how much? So let's calculate the route length. Sam House is here. Sam House to Library 2700 meter and Library to Mall is 1500 meter. So total is 4200 meter. Let's calculate route 2. So market is here. Market to Mall is 2350 meter and Mall to Library is 1500 meter. So total is 3850 meter. So we have to calculate which route is longer. Obviously route 1 is longer and by how much? 4200 minus 3850 equals to 350. So route 1 is longer by 350 meter. So our answer is option C. Question number 33. 6 friends went for shopping. They bought the following items. On the basis of the given information, fill in the blanks. So let's calculate how much everybody spent. So Shavi spent 375 plus 590 plus 460. So which is equal to 1425. Similarly, we calculate for all the friends Vijay, Sanam, Ankita, Suhana and Samrat. So we have written it here. Now let's see the question. A spent rupees 1350 on shopping. So who spent 1350? This is Ankita. So A is Ankita. Let's see B. B spent the least amount. So least amount is 1245 which is spent by Samrat. So B is Samrat. C spent the most amount. So most amount is 1425 which is spent by Chavi. So our answer is Ankita, Samrat and Shavi. which is option B. Question number 34. Study the 4 different gardens PQRS given below and answer the questions. So perimeter of all the gardens is given. Which garden has the largest boundary? To calculate this, we calculate the perimeter of all the gardens. So this is a rectangle. So 20 plus 24, which is 44 meter. Now calculate here 8 plus 10 plus 9 plus 15, which is equals to 42 meter. R is 10 times 4, 40 meter. And S equals to 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 equals to 46 meter. So which garden has the largest boundary? It is S, because 46 meter is the maximum. And which garden has the smallest boundary? This is R, because 40 is the smallest. So our answer is A is S and B is R. So option C. Question number 35. Find the value of R times S minus Q divided by P. Let's see here. It's a division problem. So 9 times 8 equals to 7P. So 9 times 8 equals to 72 and 72 equals to 7P. So P equals to 2. So 77 minus 72 equals to 5. And we get this 5 down. Now 9 times Q equals to 5R. So we know 9 times 6 will be 54. So Q will be 6 and R will be 4. Now here 55 minus 54 equals to 1 and 8 will come down. So S will be 8. So now replace the value of R, S, Q and P in this equation. So R is 4, S is 8, Q is 6 and P is 2. So we get the value as 13. So our answer is option A.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.